Hello friends, here I present Vietnamese banh mi sandwich. It's a little bit different sandwich than the usual subs we eat. Check out the ingredients while you check the whole recipe. Let's begin the recipe. First we take tofu. I have taken medium firm tofu. So I'm taking here ingredients for 2 sandwiches. I'm taking approx 1/4 piece of whole tofu block. First squeeze out the water. Now cut tofu into bite-sized cubes. Now next step is completely optional. I'm marinating all the tofu cubes in dark soy sauce. This will change the color of tofu to dark brown. You get kind of a grilled taste when you mix it with soy sauce and then fry tofu. Since it's changing color to dark brown, and if you don't like that color or maybe the grilled taste, so you can skip soy sauce completely, or you can mix it at the later stage after frying the tofu. After mixing with soy sauce, now I'm air frying my tofu. Alternatively, you can saute it on pan and make it a little crispy. I'm using a little bit of cooking spray to make it a little bit crispy. Pop it into air fryer at 400 degrees or on high heat for 10 minutes till tofu turns crispy golden brown. This is how it looks, crispy from outside and soft from inside. It turns a little bit dark brown because I have added soy sauce earlier. Make sure it does not burn. Now we start mixing tofu with other ingredients. Take half of medium-sized lemon and squeeze some fresh lemon juice, approx 1 tablespoon. Then we add some ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon, some black pepper. Spread it evenly. Mix it well. In case if you feel it's too dry, you can add some more lemon juice, but make sure you don't make it too sour, or 1 tablespoon for 1 cup of tofu is also pretty fine. Now let's start with assembling sandwich. First we take some cucumber slices. Slice it as thin as possible. Then roughly chop some cilantro. Cilantro is just for garnish at the end. Instead of butter, we are using mayo. I have taken vegan mayo. Next ingredient is the main one. It's pickled daikon with carrots. I have used some green chilies while pickling them. Recipe for pickled daikon and carrots is in description box. I have made as detailed video as possible. Please do watch that. It's really easy recipe and a quick recipe to prepare. This gives main taste to banh mi sandwich. Alternative to green chilies is using jalapenos in sandwich. Now we go on to bread. Ideally for Vietnamese sandwich, it's French bread use, white French bread. But here I am taking Italian white bread, which is a little bit softer than the French bread. You can use any bread of your choice. Slice bread half carefully. Then we use first layer of mayo. So apply some mayo generously on both the sides. Second layer is pickled daikon and carrots. Also, I have added green chilies for extra spice while pickling daikon. Alternatively, you can add jalapenos to the sandwich. It tastes really good. So either you need to have jalapenos in the sandwich or green chilies in your pickled daikon and carrots. Next layer is cucumbers. Next layer is tofu. Then for sandwich garnish, put some cilantros on top. And our sandwich is ready. I really love the sandwich taste. Do try it and let me know your comments. Thank you for watching whole video. Please subscribe my channel for all the updates. Do share it with your friends and family. Thank you.